I'm all ears, in other words, here for you.
Okay, y'all, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never been here before, today we are going to be installing this 24-inch curly wig from Unice. I love Unice. They know I love them. So as you can see, I already customized the wig off camera. I was actually practicing for some ready to ship like content or whatever. So yeah, this is just what I'm showing you guys now, so stay tuned for that. But as you can see, I love how Unice always sends me little gifts or whatever, you know, the cap or whatnot. But let's go ahead and get started into this wig. So today, this video is not going to be your average install video, y'all. When I tell you, I was just practicing to see how, pretty much, you know, just see how I would install a ready to ship wig or whatever. Needless to say, yeah, anyways, needless to say, I'm definitely going to have to practice this because I'm so used to doing full install like videos or whatever, and like completely full installs, customize everything on my head. But this here definitely gave me a challenge. So as you guys can see, I already did my bald cap, same as usual. Put your makeup on your wig, you know, the lace or whatever, and that's pretty much the same. However, it was very tricky for me to get the baby hairs out of the way. Everybody has a different hairline, you know, some stuff is going to look better on others. Like me, I have a my hairline not low, but it can be after adding baby hairs. So like someone with a larger forehead will be able to finesse this with no problem. However, this just pretty much, you know, told me that, okay, girl, you know, you might want to just, you know, make the baby hairs, cut the baby hairs shorter whenever you're styling them on your wig. So that's something I'm going to be doing in the next video. I am going to attempt this again, even though I am a little bit nervous. But as you guys can see, like, I'm still finessing it. Like, even after I cut all the lace off, I was like, okay, you know, I actually could wear this as a glueless unit if you, like, if I or you actually wanted to. So as you can see, it's already melting into the skin without, you know, much having to be done to it. So in this clip here, I did have a little bit of glue on my hairline, but I'm just going to show y'all exactly how I cut the lace without cutting the baby hairs. So you just want to take a comb, push the baby hairs forward and everything like that, and then you're going to take your razor and you're going to cut it per usual. Do not cut a straight across line. That is not cute. As you can see, I'm kind of like I guess, like, you know, I don't know how to describe it, but I'm kind of like moving around a little bit when it comes down to me using a razor. Like, do not at all cut in a straight line. No, sis, don't do it. Anywho, we're going to move on. As you guys can see, I snatched this wig off. Reasons being that the wig was too low on my hairline, so I went ahead and redid my bald cap or whatnot, and here I am getting ready to apply glue. I'm not going to take you guys back through all of the steps that I did, but I mean, you guys are going to see that this install was, I won't say it was a fail, but it was definitely rushed. Like, for lack of a better word, I'm just going to say it was definitely rushed. And as you can see, I'm kind of looking at it again, and I move it again. At this point, y'all, I was just tired of this wig. I was just like, yeah, nah, let's keep moving. But I mean, I did start, you know, getting the hang of it and calming down, because for some reason when I do get upset with my hair, it's definitely on my baby hair part. But I mean, I guess I was able to pull it all together. So I didn't fast forward any clips in this video simply because I wanted you guys to get the full effect. People always ask me to do a baby hair tutorial, but as you can see, it's very hard for me to record on camera. And you'll also see, I think in the next clip as well, that it's hard to do. Like, for at least for me, if no one's there and I just have like a tripod or whatever, it's definitely going to be super duper hard for me to do this. One thing I need to stop doing is rushing on my hair. As y'all know, I am a hairstylist and I am a fiance and a lot of other things, so I don't have a lot of time. So as you guys can see, I am adding well, I put on my melt band. As you guys can see, that does have my logo on it, and you guys can go on my website and purchase it at themeltx.com. You guys will see it linked below, and here are the bonnets and everything. I'm going to add some clips of me with my beautiful hair and everything on. You see it, girl? Yes. So yep, you guys can go and purchase this wig from Unice. It is very, very beautiful. It has like the nice flowy curls. They get big, so if you don't like really poofy hair, I wouldn't suggest this wig, but I love it because I like big hair on myself. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Peace. Don't forget to go buy your bands, your bonnets, and it's wigs on there. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.